Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm trying the wet look on my hair. Now I know there's a lot of videos going around lately, and the wet look's been around for a while, but ever since Naturalistas posted and Happy Girl, among many others, in the last week or so, I decided that I wanted to give you guys a look at how the wet look looked on my hair. This is my hair freshly washed, no product. The leave-in that I'm using today is the Main Choice's Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion, and the gel I'm using today is my Wetline Xtreme. After I apply my leave-in, I have to wet my hair again because my hair dries pretty quickly. And once I got all that water worked into my hair, I start. I start off with applying a generous amount of gel from root to tip, and then I work that into my hair. And if I find that I get a lot of frizzing, or if it's not laying down flat enough, I just add more water. So because my hands can only do so much, I use my softboard brush to further smooth down my hair. And this is what it's looking like so far. And then to finish off and to set my hair, I use a little bit of hairspray, and then I wrap my hair. So after letting my hair set for about 2 hours, these are my results. My hair was still soaking wet, but at least the top part of my hair dried, so it kept the rest of my hair laying flat. So yeah, that's it guys. This is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.